Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? The very danger move is coming soon, but congratulations, my friend. The Filecoin completely, you can see a change occur positive now. So I am so happy to see this. But let's see, my brothers, to what's move is coming soon and what they do, my friend, in upcoming time in the future. Let's get started the brand video. Kindly subscribe this channel because you can see, my brother, in this video I also predicted this coin. So kindly like and subscribe. My brother, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 7 days chart occur all is completely positive now. It's me to this coin is completely in the profit now, my brother. And you can see, my friend, this time the price is 57.43 USD dollar. It's mean, obviously, the price will be increasing if the holder are starting holding now. So this time exactly, my friend, the Filecoin, my friend, you can see here the chain occur 8.6%, and you can see, my friend, the highest 62 or 64.5 per USD dollar. It's been, my brother, to this coin is completely in the profit. Why, my friend holder, you are starting selling? Don't sell it. I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming time. So hope you like. Please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.